Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big Johnny here. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today what I'm going to be speaking about is the setup for the sell that is coming out on gold very soon. You know I love to swing trade gold and I'm giving every single person the heads up here. I'm very patient and waiting for my setups to appear, and this is what I try and do. I try and take the trades once the setup does appear. So it's been, I think about 2 months almost now since the last sell. I just want to be able to make sure every single person is able to catch this trade and there's no excuses. If it does do what we can expect it to do, that would be fantastic. So on that note, let's get over to the promotional stuff. So if you would like to get into my mentorship, as you can see right here on the screen, here is the mentorship pip count so far for February, which is absolutely amazing. Not too bad at all. I think some of these trades have even gone further than that. Then all you have to do is give me a hit up in the Discord, or you can message me on Telegram and I can tell you how to get into that. If you would like to get into the Neo service as well, as you can see, we just gave off a fantastic trade with the new sister indicator called Trinity. You will get these alerts to a Telegram group and you will be able to see these charts as well. These will be posted in Discord for you with take profit levels or at least market structure explaining what we think the trade is going to do. Head over to my Instagram. You need to go to the last post I did put right here, and then you need to give this a like just like that, and you need to give it a comment, and you need to put Neo competition just as you've seen this other user has done here as well. So when you get the time, give it a listen, put Neo competition, and you can be one of the 2 lucky winners that gets free access to Neo for 1 month. The end of the competition will be done by February. Okay, so as you can see, I am on my chart at the moment. I am on gold/US dollar or XAU USD. And what I'm looking at is Global Prime. That is just a broker I'm using on TradingView. You can use Xauusd, you can use Forex.com. Price should pretty much be similar on all of these platforms. So what we are looking at here for gold is we're looking for a sell to appear. And I've been telling a lot of traders in my Discord, if you get in the Discord, if they ask me any questions about it, I gave out this sell here last year. I also gave out this sell over here as well, and what I was expecting for price to do is go down towards this area, then we would be looking for a buy. And we can see that price has respected market structure here, which is fantastic in terms of an uptrend. But I wasn't really trading it too much in terms of figuring out, if it's going to go up, if it's going to go down. I prefer to trade when price goes high or when price goes low. So right now, if we're looking at anything, I'm looking at price buying up towards this level here, which is 1916. Of course, this was this old previous level here, which was a higher high, and then I'm expecting gold to most likely go for a liquidity hunt. So you might be saying to me, John, why are you looking for a liquidity hunt or anything like that? Now we can see when we go over to the time frame here, this looks like some candles that came up and came down, but that can be confusing if you do not do multi-time frame analysis. You might be asking what multi-time frame analysis is. Now you can do this with any single trading instrument. What you want to actually do here is go up to different time frames or go down to different time frames, but for the sake of the video, we're going to go up to the 1 week time frame. And this is what I do. I just go through all my time frames and I check market structure. And if we're looking at market structure here, we can clearly see which traders might miss. There's a huge liquidity spike here. Some people might be saying, what is a liquidity spike? Well, basically a liquidity spike is when the market goes to a certain direction and then what happens, they reverse the market from that area very quickly. So this candle actually was very bullish at one point going up towards this zone. So it would have been for me a black candle. But of course there was a decision that was made here in this week that decided to reverse the pair and start to sell it. So this is why it turned into a sell candle. What gets left behind when there is a liquidity spike, it's basically an area of interest. There's money here, so they want to come and grab this at some given time. Doesn't have to be straight away, it could take some time. As you can see, there was a liquidity spike here. They bought price up. This was a trade I gave out in my VIP group, and then the sell was also a trade I gave out to absolutely everybody. It's all documented, it's all in my Discord, and you can see straight away they did come for this liquidity spike. But what they did this time is they pushed it all the way back up, creating another liquidity spike. So of course that creates issues for indecisions in the market. So this is another reason why I didn't want to trade in between here too much, because they could either sell price aggressively down to here or buy price up to here. So what I did do though on Tuesday, I believe, I did give out this chart to the traders in the free group. I explained that price is going to go up more and go to these levels. I will be looking to put a tester entry here at 1916. I'm looking on my confluences to see if the market trades. I might look at a TDI cross. I could look for anything. I could see an engulfing candle off this level, so many different things. But more than anything, I'm paying attention to the structure of the market and what we're seeing here. And what I'm seeing clear as day here is that the market could go to this level and reverse, as we've seen it failed to break this level before. It failed quite big off this level before here from this massive sell that was about 1,000 pips. And then we can see straight away if it goes to here again, it might do a fake out sell. And this is what I'm assuming might happen. It might go from this level to this level here and then buy back up. But again, it could sell all the way down. I will have a tester entry here, and I'm going to be putting a bigger entry here. And this is my main reasons for why I'm expecting a sell on gold. Again, it's not got to be a long video. It's just got to be why you can see my analysis of what I think is going to happen. And this is my main key and why I told people that it could buy. What I will say as well, I gave this trade out, as you saw it in the Trinity group at the beginning of this video. But for anybody that was in the general group as well, and this is why you saw my last 1 minute video that I just did, I'll put a link to that here. Market structure is very important. This is just market structure on a higher time frame. So now when we go to this point here, if we go to, let's say, like a 1 hour chart, what do you see happening here? You saw the market broke through this level, didn't respect this level, broke back through this level, and then came to test this level again. Of course, this is very basic stuff. So anybody that's missing this, just so I can show them, you can see the market broke through this level, came back through this level, came back down to test this level, had a bullish engulfing candle off of this level. Anyone could have been in this trade from this area. Right here, they could have gained the entry. They could have put their stop loss just below here. And of course, I would have said you would have been looking to take your trade up to this level here, which would have been about 56 pip stop loss. And then you would have had, what, about a 60 pip trade. Now, of course, that isn't the best trade in the world. So in general, you want to make sure you've got at least 2 going forward and 1 going back. So I would have pushed this trade up to about 120 pips going forward, which would have been about here, expecting it to go there. And we can see that there's a level around here on the 4 hour chart, so the market can respect it. So I'm going to go back into the 1 hour chart, and this is how you would have been able to catch this trade. Again, this was a trade I gave out for free. I gave this one out to my Neo users. I've also given this one out within the last period of a week. So these were 2 fantastic trades that were given out on gold. If you want to get into any of those groups, please let me know. All the information should be down in the description. On that note, guys and girls, I'm going to leave you there because this is just a nice quick market analysis of what gold can do, and I hope you like this one. Again, like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot more gold videos on the channel, so make sure you don't miss out. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell a friend, like and comment. And on that note, peace.